Hello guys, welcome back to Random Tech YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how to make Vogue challenge on TikTok. That is very trendy. That is Vogue challenge on TikTok. So guys, before starting the videos, I would like to request each and everyone, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that I will come up with more informative videos every day. So guys, to make the Vogue challenge of TikTok, what you have to do, you have to just you have to download this PixArt application from your Google Play Store. You will get it from your Google Play Store here. You have to just search for PICSART. So after searching for PixArt, you can see here this is the application. So as I have already downloaded, I'm gonna show you directly how to make this challenge on TikTok. So guys, you can see here this will be the interface of your PixArt, and then what you have to do here, you have to click on this plus icon. Okay, so let me just click on this plus icon, and then let me just select one photo here. So I have selected this photo. So now to make this, what you have to do, I'm going to show you. So guys, here what you have to do, you have to click on this sticker icon. You can see here sticker icon on the below, so just click here, and then here you can see here search bar icon. So here what you have to write here, you have to write VOGUE. Okay, so after writing this, just click on Vogue first option, and then you will find lots of Vogue here. So I'm gonna show you by doing one here. Okay, let me just select one. Okay guys, so let me just select this one. Okay, you can see here, so you can select anyone. So let me just select this one, and then after this you can see here, let me just give like this. Let me just show you. Okay, so now here let me just show you it. Okay, so now here what you have to do, you have to click on this right option on the top left right of your screen, and then just click again, and then just click on save option. So guys, go to your gallery and let me check it out. So guys, here this is the one. So I hope you like the video, and also see you soon on the next video. Please hit the subscribe button. Bye bye.